Hi guys, it's Sam from FilterGrade, and today I'm going to be showing you how to load and unload the Nikkormat F-type camera. Let's get into it. With your film camera face down, you're going to take a new roll of film. This is Ultramax from Kodak. You're going to first open up the camera using this bottom tab here. Be careful because sometimes it can be very springy and pull out. Pull up on this tab right here. You're gonna load this with the sprocket right here, this side down. It should slide into the inserted spot right there, and it'll drop right in. Then you can drop this right here. It sometimes needs a little love to push down all the way. You can twist it back and forth until it snaps. You're gonna pull your film all the way to the other side. Now here there are divots in which there are sprocket lines that you can insert it in backwards. You push it into the hole here and it would hook onto the sprocket. And you pull this lever to forward the film. Once the film is forwarded one turn, you can close the back of the camera and you will shoot until the number hits 0. This may take a few shots. Don't be alarmed, you're not taking photos. Once you finished your roll, you're going to flip the camera over to the bottom side where this button will be right here. You have to press this button to release the film. Once it is pushed in, you can turn it back over. You have to pull this tab up here and rotate your camera clockwise. The arrow tells you which direction to go, so just follow that. You'll feel the film release inside the camera. So you're gonna pull this up here. Once this is all pulled up, with most cameras, this would pop open, and that might be alarming that it didn't, but this small little tab on the bottom, this little silver tab you pull, and the back of the camera should pop open. And there it is, how to unload your camera.